Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the keyboard is typing different symbols instead of letters, then please watch this video. So in 99.9% cases, the keyboard is different from the one which you should be using. So right click on the start button, select settings. Now go to the time and language tab, select language and region in the right pane. Wait, make sure that the display language is selected as English United States or whatever language you wish to use, and it is also at the top. It should be at the top. For example, if Arabic is at the top, then pull it down and make click on English United States and keep on clicking move up till it reaches the top and it becomes the first language. So this is the main solution. If this doesn't help, then perform a clean boot. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar. Click on system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with Hide or Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable or apply OK and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.